Hello, Top people. Nivi is back with her podcast. Now, let's go. We can't just please everyone to come on our way, or we can't just make everyone focus on what we love, right? But we can live our own life for which others might love to live our life. That's how our way of living should be. When you say you hold grudges, hold it for yourself, not for the people. When I say hold it for yourself, it means prove them that you are the best. You are a better human being than they think. You are the precious one they lost in their lives. You are the person for which they haven't been that rude to you. When you do this way, you have peace in your life and you will get peace in your life. The other person who has done something very bad for you will have regrets in their life for losing such a kind of person in their lives. That powerful it is to have such kind of positivity in our life. When you ignore the negativity and negative people around the world, you will unknowingly get people who accept you for who you are. Yet, there will be many people who will never make you live peacefully with their over smartness. But believe me, you can easily ignore such kind of people. That's the best way to live, in my opinion. I do it the same. I can't say I like everyone in this world. I do have people who have made me angry, stressed, and worried through their worthless actions. It will be really hard to have such kind of people in our lives. But unknowingly, you will get this kind of people in every stage of your life. You know what? Sometimes situations will become helpless. I mean, there will be some situations where we can't explain to someone because we don't want to keep on complaining about something for so long. That's how we think, right? But most of them will not be like us. They just want to torture us and live their life happily, which is no way to live a life according to me. But that's okay. We have to face all kinds of people in this world. When you feel like you are not having a good life, just listen to one song which I would like to suggest and which I would like to sing here for all of you is ఒకే ఒక్క జీవితం అది చెయ్యి జారిపోనీకు మళ్ళీ రాని ఈ క్షణాన్ని మన్ను పాలు కానీకు కష్టమనేది లేని రోజంటూ లేదు కదా కన్నీరు దాటుకుంటూ సాగిపోగ తప్పదుగా హో ఓ ఓ అమ్మ కడుపు వదిలిన అడుగడుగు హో ఓ ఓ ఆనందం కోసమే ఈ పరుగు హో ఓ ఓ కష్టాల బాటలో కడవరకు హో ఓ ఓ చిరునవ్వు వదలకు. So this is the song which I love the most, and whenever I feel low, I just listen to this song. So this way you can have some positivity towards your life. You have many other ways also to focus on your dreams and also on yourself every single day. Just always do the things for yourself and do the things which you love to do. Surround yourself with the people who feel like you are a blessing to them. Learn to spend time for yourself, analyze yourself, and think on how to get better every single day. Always think of how to provide value to the world and also to the people. I do all of these things to make myself better every single day. So, top people, let's not hope for the best. Let us be the best. Thank you.